I've seen some Nissan GTR Nismos and just standard Nissan GTRs on my time, but I've never seen one like this.
Please don't tell me down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's lonely in my room. I know you'll be here soon, but please don't tell me down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When will you come through? I hope you'll be here soon. So please don't tell me.
Oh, you boring motherfucker.
Can we just appreciate as well how much Josh looks like Jimmy Neutron?
Fuck off.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new video. Now, yesterday I saw that Nissan GTR titanium exhaust. It looks absolutely outrageous, and I realised that I didn't even record an intro for it, so that's why I'm doing it now. So what this video is, I'm playing football very soon, getting another video done there, and then, do you guys remember this? This Sunday there is another meetup at that place. So this video is mainly full of football and cars, pretty much. Okay, I'm literally just about to leave right now, but the thing that I need to get before I do go and play football is I really could do with some football boots. Because them boots right there, I've had them for years. Oh, everything's a rush. Right, bag is packed. It feels so much emptier than usual because I don't actually have my boots because I'm getting some new ones. And I am getting out of here. Right, I'll catch up with you guys soon. Yeah, but you weren't expecting that. Okay, got my brand new boots. I'm about to show you in 3, 2, 1. You think they're cropped, don't you? Well, I like them, that's all that matters. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since we last picked up the camera, so I'm just gonna let Josh take some shots because we're being pretty shit. So Josh, here you go. Go on then. Fair enough.
Stephen's turn.
Oh. Hey! Oh! Okay, I want to record more, but the battery is just about to die, so I think I'll catch up with you lot when I'm home. So it's currently Saturday, and I have been to town. And if you are new to the channel, I do like to go to town when I can, just to see like some cars and stuff, just to video them, whatever. For those of you that have been on my channel for a while, you'll understand it. And here are some decent cars that I saw today. Yep, there we have it, and we've got another car meet tomorrow, my car cleaning, which is going to be sick. I'll see you guys then.
I've been quiet for too long. I've been quiet for too long. I found peace in your vibes. Can you show me there's no point in trying? I'm at one, and I've been quiet for too long.
Okay, I'm going to end it there. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Smash a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I will catch you a lot on another video. Peace.
Yeah.